Okay, in previous video I showed you how you can connect Google Ads to Claude AI, and in the last video we already performed some actions using this Claude AI integration with Google Ads, but in today's video we will connect MCP to Claude AI and Visual Studio Code. MCP Model Context Protocol servers give Claude extra capabilities like browsing website, reading documentation and more. And in today's video we will install two of them. It's Playwright and Context 7. We will add our first agents, first frameworks, and in the end of the video we will perform this landing page analysis report that will help us to optimize our landing page using Claude AI. For example, it will give us this God tier ads checklist, 92 items, and here, for example, page load speed. On my website I don't have form on homepage, so it's actually very good points that I certainly will implement on my website. First of all, let's connect these MCPs. We will use two of them. First one is Playwright. Playwright will capture a screenshot of our website and will perform audit, and Context 7 will help us fetch latest library docs and always up-to-date Google Ads API references. First one, we will implement these MCPs for VS Code extension. So here you have to create this folder VS Code. You can also use terminal, but here it will look like this folder VS Code and MCP JSON file. You have to paste here these lines of code and then click close and save. Next one, we have to configure MCP for our terminal, and here we created in our workspace folder, but this one we will configure for Claude in our home directory. So it will look like this. So here my home directory and its hidden folder Claude, and here we have this MCP JSON. And how we can configure this using our terminal, it will be easier. First of all, let's open terminal and paste here this make direction Claude, and it will create this folder. Let's open this file, and here you have to paste same code as here as we pasted right here into this MCP JSON file. You will click exit, then it will ask to save or not. You click Y to save, and that's it. Here you will have also additional two MCPs file call. It will help you to analyze competitor landing pages and extract act copy. And this second tool is AI powered web search. It will research competitors and find industry benchmarks. Okay, so I will ignore it because I don't have API keys for them, but the setup is same. You just add these two tools after this Context 7 and Playwright. Then it's very important you have to install browser for Playwright. This browser will work in the background to capture screenshots and so on. It's very important for landing page audits. Just copy this line of code, go to Visual Studio Code, new terminal, and paste this line of code here. It's very easy to set up. If you have any problem, just paste problems that you have into Claude Code and it will help you. Okay, after we install this Playwright browser, we will add our agent prompts, very important prompts. Agent prompts we have here in this folder, system prompts, agents, and here you just click new file in MD format, and here you just paste this instructions here. Same for negative keyword agent, PPC audit agent, and when you will use Claude Code here, you just reference to this agent and it will perform any task from these agents. Also, we can add knowledge and frameworks for our projects. So here we have core PPC reasoning, and here you will have instructions. So for example, every element in Google Ads must align in a chain: search intent, keyword, ad copy, landing page, and conversion action. So Claude will take this into consideration. Remember, we installed this Playwright, and let's test it. To make sure that you successfully installed MCPs, you just ask Claude AI, give me installed MCPs. And here you can see that we have two MCP servers installed, Playwright that helps us to capture screenshots, and Context 7 pulls up-to-date library documentation directly into Context. So here I have my Claude Code window. I ask Claude Code to use this agent here to analyze my landing page. It will analyze persona generation and validation. So here we have James Hartley, his age, primary intent, want a Google Ads agency to take over after a bad experience with the previous agency that burned £8,000 per month with poor returns. You just can confirm or revise this persona and then click yes. and you will get this landing page analysis report. So here we have my website, persona, what's wrong, no form on the home page, no phone number, Polish address with no explanation, create some conscious trust hesitation for international clients, very valid point. Duplicate now targeting different audiences, audience owners versus business, creates confusion about who is this for. Value proposition, critical problem, no offer on the page, there is no free audit, free consultation, page load speed, so I have to check this, clear message in hero, it's just brand, not a benefit. Also form is not available on mobile phone. Testimonials throughout page, all 3 testimonials in one section only, so it also has to be fixed. Trust badges, no trust badges. And here you will have all this checklist summary, so pass 33, fail 44. And here you will have high priority, normal priority, immediate suggested improvements, yes. Rewrite H1 here. So it's very good landing page analysis agent. You can just copy this prompt here. You can find this link in the description. In the next videos, I will show you even more prompts, interesting prompts to speed up and improve our performance on Google Ads account. If you have some questions, leave them in the description section and I will try to answer them. See you in the next video and bye.